Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So Samsung is gearing up to introduce a new device, and that is going to be the Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime. So basically this information we have got from Amazon.in, where they have published the details and specification of the device and given us a side look of the upcoming Galaxy M Prime. The Amazon page did not confirm about the naming of the device. It's only mentioned that Samsung Galaxy M Prime, but the information in the source code gives us that this is going to be the M31 Prime edition. What's more interesting that this device is going to be coming with specifications of triple camera setup on the back side with an LED flashlight, and it's kind of a similar design which we have already seen in previous M31, M31s devices. So the information which has been shared by Amazon gives us that the M31 Prime is going to be coming with an Exynos 9611 SoC, and that SoC is pretty much similar in all those mid-range category devices which Samsung has been releasing since from the last year. So I was expecting that the next device which is coming in the M series might be coming with a new processor, but similar Exynos 911 chipset could give a disappointment to many of the users. It will have a two storage option, a 64 gigs and 128 gigs of internal storage, and will come with a dedicated memory card slot, and that is going to be supported by 512 GB. It's also going to be supported by dual SIM as well. In terms of cameras department, well, we are going to be expecting that it is going to come in 5 different cameras. A quad camera setup is going to be present on the back side, and just like other M devices, we are going to see a similar kind of a design look of camera sensor. That is going to be a squared camera bump on the back side, and that is coming with a 64 megapixel of primary sensor, 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel of macro shooter, and 5 megapixel of depth sensor. In terms of battery, well, we are going to see a 6000 milliamp of a battery capacity, which is going to be a huge and similar kind of a battery capacity we have seen in Galaxy M51 series and other M series devices. It's going to be coming with a USB-C port, and also it is going to be supported by 15 watt of fast charging in the box. Other highlights of the M31 includes a rear mounted fingerprint reader and a 3.5mm headphone jack. We didn't know about the screen size and resolution what is going to be coming in, but judging from the previous M31 and M31s, both are going to be coming with Full HD Plus resolution. So it is expected that we might see this device to be coming with a 6.5 inch of Full HD Plus AMOLED display. With that being said, the design and specs of the M31 Prime are similar to M31s, so it's unclear why Samsung felt the need to launch the M31 Prime, but it will be interesting to see how the company position it in its product portfolio. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the upcoming Galaxy M31 Prime in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.